Hi friends, now we are going to see how to do weight gaining and brain development food for a baby of 6 months to 3 years. First we have to roast 3 spoons of urad dal and 2 badam. Once the color of the urad dal turns brown, we have to add 1 spoon of rice. Once it is nicely roasted, we have to transfer it to the bowl and we have to wash it for 2 times. After that, we have to transfer that to the mixer grinder and we have to grind it to the fine paste. After that, we have to add 1 teaspoon of ghee in the pan and then we have to add the grinded mixture to the pan. Once it is added, we have to let it boil. We have to let it cooked for around 5 minutes. Then after it is cooked, we have to pour half glass of milk. For the babies under 1 year, you can use either formula milk or the breast milk, or you can avoid adding the milk also. After this, the recipe is ready. Thank you.